Hey guys, welcome to Protocoders Point. Okay, so in this Flutter tutorial, we will implement Lottie animation in Flutter. Okay, so let's begin with creating a new Flutter project. Okay, so our Flutter project has been created, and this is the default code given by Flutter while creating new Flutter project. And the project is been running in our physical device that is being connected to USB. Okay, so before we start, let me introduce with the Lottie website that provides you animation files in a JSON format. So here, just visit to lottiefiles.com and just log in with your Gmail account. And here you can search your desired animation. I will just enter some coders. Okay, let me see if the animations are there or no. Okay, I think they are there. Okay, so as you can see, these are the animations that you can use free of cost to implement in your Flutter project. So this, as you can see, this one, and this is the free, as you can see over here. So you can see the downloads are 189. So that means it is free. And here it is, instead of this, it is showing us the price of this animation. So if you want to use this, then you need to pay $3 for it. So I will just select a free one. So here you can download this files in a GIF format, or you can say in a JSON format. Okay, so I will just download this in a JSON format. So as you can see, this is a JSON format that got downloaded. Okay, so our JSON file animation file has been got downloaded. Just open it, just copy it, and then go to your Flutter project. In your Flutter project, you need to create a asset folder where you can store this animation files, assets. So in assets, I will just create one more directory and name it as Lottie. So in this Lottie, I will just copy paste it, the animation file, and rename it to coders.json. Okay, so this is the code, JSON code. Okay, so after doing that, what we need to do is you need to add a dependency in your pub.specification file, and the dependency name is, just go to dependency section as you can see over here, and under this Flutter just add it, that is Lottie, and the version is 1.0.1. Okay, so after adding this library, just hit this pub get button. Okay, so this will download the package in your Flutter external library over here. Okay, so as you can see, the code is 0. That means our this library has been successfully added in your Flutter project. So now you can use them. Okay, so now just go to, and one more thing you need to add in your pub.specification file, that is you need to give access to use this folder, assets folder. So for that, here in pub.specification file, just undo this comment. Okay, so our path is assets and Lottie. Lottie. Okay, so if you want to provide a specific file that you need to access only, then you can use coders.json. So for now I just want to access all the files that are in this folders, so I will just keep this empty. Okay, so after doing this, just hit the pub.get button. Okay, so now come to main.dat file. In main.dat file, as you are making use of Lottie animation, you need to import the package. lottie.dart. Okay, so after that I will just remove the default code that is given by Flutter while creating new project. So I will just remove this and create my own stateful widget. Okay, so here I will make use of scaffold. Okay, so in the body tag we will just show our animation effect. So for that I will just make use of center widget to bring all the widgets at the center of the screen. Okay, and then in center I will just make use of column widget so that I can show more than one widget at a time. Children. Okay, so in children we can show more than one widget. So Lottie dot assets and the path of your file. So our path is assets, Lottie and the file name. JSON, and then you can provide a size of this. You can say 200, I can, or else 300 something, and height 300, and I will make it as box fit so that it will get fitted into a box safe fit cover. Okay, so I will just restart our app now. Let me check if it is working. Okay, so our app has been running in our device. So as you can see the animation, you can see. Okay, so this is the way you can show animation files in your Flutter project. Okay, so if in case if you don't want to add this file in your uh, project, you can directly make use of network. You can just get the JSON file from network. So for that you can make use of lottie dot network and the URL. So for the URL, just go to lottiefiles.com and select your desired uh, animation files. So here you, as you can see, so it provides you a URL of this animation effect. So just copy them and then just go to this network, and here in place of URL just pass the URL, and we will just give a size to it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the network URL animation effect from Lottie website, and this is the animation file that is in our assets folder. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of how to show a Lottie animation in your Flutter project. So please do subscribe Protocoders Point.